Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can easily make a server in Minecraft Launcher. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to head to your browser and here you're just going to search about Aternos.org. And when you go to this website, first of all, what you're going to need to do is sign up. You can sign up either by using your Google account or you can do it by your different email. And after doing that, you're just gonna log in. And when you log in, you're just gonna see a panel with written something like server and create. You're not gonna see these things. These two things are basically servers that have already created. So you're just gonna see servers and create, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna head to create and click on it, and it's gonna take you to a panel just like this, okay? And after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna select either Java Edition or Bedrock, and then you're just gonna click on create. I'm just selecting Java Edition, okay? You can also back up your server on Google Drive, but we're not going to do that right now. So you're just gonna skip this part. After skipping it, you're gonna see this panel on this side with many options. Here you have different options which can help you, to whitelist people, make them admins, ban them, and also ban their IPs. Next, you're just gonna explore the options. In option setting, you can, play with different settings like PvP, fly, nether. You can allow these materials or not. It has multiple options, and also you can add resource packs and everything. One thing that you have to keep in mind is you have to gonna make this option open cracked. This will allow your friends which use T launcher to play with you. So I'm just gonna set it to tick option. Then you're gonna go back to the server and you're just gonna go here and click on the start green button, and you're gonna accept this. So we're in queue and it's gonna take approximately about 3 to 5 minutes and then you're good to go. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip to the starting part. Okay guys, as you can see, it has finished waiting in queue. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on confirm right here. It's now preparing, so let's just wait a little bit more. Okay, as you guys can see, it has, been online now. So what you're just gonna do is you're gonna go to your Minecraft here. Okay, let me just delete this one. You're gonna go back right here. So basically what you're just gonna do is you're just gonna copy this like this. You're gonna go to your Minecraft, go to multiplayers and add a server. You can name it however you want. Let's just name it my server. And here you're just gonna add the text you copied and then you're gonna click on done. And as you can see, it's gonna take a little while right here and then it's gonna load. Okay, here you can see it has loaded already, so you're just gonna click on it and you can join it. You can send the same text to your friends and they can also join it. And that's pretty much for this tutorial. If you guys like it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.